if the sensor, well, good thing I didn't turn off my board at all now, because if I turned it on,
it's gonna get
it would give me some kind of error that would say I can't even turn it on. Dang, so like I basically need new foot pads before I can ride again, unless it's somehow fixable, but they make it so fragile.
Got it.
It looks like the same thing that happened with the Pint that might have been warrantyable if I didn't try to like fix it myself before contacting them. So yeah, that'd be cool if I can put in the fucking warranty for it. What if I can order one and put the warranty in for it? Who knows? Anyway, bummed to mess up a foot pad, but yeah, that happens.